sa inyo. We are here to present about global warming, and we are the presenter, Sara Lopez, together with John Paul Amora, Samandre Jimenez, Francis Articulacion, Jimo John Bolivar, and John Caldelo. Next slide, please. So, in this slide, we will discuss the global warming and its impact on our planet and the step we can take to address it. Next slide. Table of contents. What is global warming? Causes and effect of global warming. Impacts of global warming in our country. Resolution to minimize the effect of global warming. Next slide, please. So what is global warming? It is the phenomenon of increasing average air temperatures near the surface of Earth over the past 1 to 3 centuries. Next slide. Climate scientists have since the mid-20th century gathered detailed observation of various weather phenomena and their related influences on the climate. These data indicate that Earth's climate has changed over almost every conceivable timescale since the beginning of geologic time, and that human activities since at least the beginning of the Industrial Revolution have growing influence over the pace and extent of present-day climate change.
Cause and effect of global warming. Next slide. So ano nga ba ang mga causes ng global warming? Meron ditong vehicles, deforestation, chlorofluorocarbon, industrial development, agriculture, and overpopulation. First is vehicles. Bakit nga ba nakasama yung vehicles para sa pag-cause ng global warming? The use of vehicles even for a very short distance results in various gaseous emissions. Dahil nga yung vehicles is nagamit siya ng fossil fuels, nag-emit siya ng malaking amount ng carbon dioxide which is toxin sa atmosphere at nagre-result po siya sa increase in temperature. Next slide. Man-made deforestation. Since plants is the main source of oxygen, they take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, thereby maintaining environmental balance. Since nagde-deforestation po, naubos na po yung mga puno, which led to an environmental imbalance. Since, yun nga po, giving rise to global warming. Next slide, please. Chlorofluorocarbon. With the excessive use of air conditioners and refrigerators, humans have been adding CFCs, which is chlorofluorocarbon, into the environment, which affects the atmospheric ozone layer. Ano nga ba yung ozone layer? Yung ozone layer is protects the Earth's surface from the harmful ultraviolet rays emitted by the sun. Since dahil nga po sa CFCs, nadideplete po nito yung ozone layer which nakakapasok na po yung ultraviolet rays galing sa sun. Kaya po nag-increase in temperature of the earth. Next please.
Industrial development. With the advent of industrialization, the temperature of the earth has been increasing rapidly. The harmful emissions from the factories add the increasing temperature of the earth. So, basically, naiipon yung masasamang hangin na galing sa mga factory which can result in increasing temperature of the earth. Next. Agriculture. Various farming activities produce carbon dioxide and methane gas. This add to the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere and increase the temperature of the earth. It says here that farming activities can produce carbon and methane gas, which can also increase the temperature of the Earth. Next. Overpopulation. Overpopulation, an increase in population means more people breathing. This leads to an increase in the level of carbon dioxide, the primary gas causing global warming in the atmosphere. Increasing population can also lead to increased carbon dioxide because more people are breathing. Effect of global warming. Distribution of ecosystem, ocean, acidification for extreme weather event, melting ice and rising sea levels, and rising temperature. Ito naman po, kasama siya sa effect of global warming kasi nga yung sea levels pwede siyang mag-cause ng tsunami and yung rising temperature pwede naman siyang mag-cause ng sobrang lamig at which is masama rin sa atin. Next please. Distribution to ecosystem. Change in temperature and precipitation pattern distribute ecosystem affecting plants and animals. Dito naman po, sa pag-change ng temperature, dito both pwedeng maapektuhan ng animals and plants. For example is pagkatuyot. Dito, merong mga plants na hindi tutubo at dito rin meron din mga plants na which is kinakain ng specific ng animal na hindi rin nila makakain. Ayan, next please. Ocean acidification. The ocean absorbs a significant amount of CO2, leading to increased acidity harming marine life. So dito yung dumi ng ating karagatan, nagkukos na sobrang laki sa mga isda which is nakakamatay sa kanila. Next please. More extreme weather event. Global warming intensifies weather pattern leading to more frequent and severe hurricane, flood, and storm. Dito naman, yung mga extreme na weather, dito natin nakikita yung mga resulta like mga tsunami, mga tawag dito. Basta kung ano yung may mga cause na flood, katulad ng mga ganun. Yun lang.
So, melting ice and rising sea levels. These glacier and ice sheets are melting, contributing to rising sea levels, threatening coastal communities and ecosystem. So, dito naman sa rising temperatures, glacier and ice sheet are melting, contributing to rising sea levels, threatening coastal communities and ecosystem. Same lang to ng dito sa pangalawa, ay sa panguna yung melting ice and same lang siya ng pinanggalingan ng cause. Kasi yung dulot na labis na na greenhouse gases mula sa activity ng ginagawa ng mga tao tulad ng yung pagsusunog ng fossil fuels and yung pagde-deforestation, tapos yung mga sa industrial na gawain. Tapos yung effect nito yung nagdudulot ng mas madaling paglagay ng ng panahon. Tapos ito rin yung dahilan kung bakit madaling nasusunog yung mabilis matunaw yung mga ice. Yun, kaya doon dulot yung pagkasira ng ecosystem. So dito naman tayo sa impacts of farming in our country. So intensified typhoons and weather patterns. So gaya nga lang sabi ko, nagdudulot ng mas matinding pabago-bago ng lagay ng panahon tulad nung yung mga di natin inaasahan na bagyo. Tapos minsan, di ba, nung nakaraan, example, yung ah, iba't ibang bagyo yung dumaan sa Pilipinas, di ba, hindi naman natin inaasahan na ganun pala na meron ganun. Tapos, hindi natin inaasahan na ganun pala kalakas yung bagyo na ano, na tatama. Tapos, dito sa agricultural disruption, ah, dito naman, dahil to sa matinding init na nangyayari nga, yun nga, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina yung sa pagbilis ng pag-init ng yun, dito yun ang yun, ito yung epekto nun. Tapos, water scarcity. Ano nga ba yung water scarcity? So, ito yung hindi sapat na malinis na tubig or safe para para ma-meet yung needs ng mga tao or animals, ganun. So dito um, yung kakulangan daw ng tubig ay nagiging mas seryoso yung dulot ng mas mabilis ng pagkatuyo ng mga freshwater sources at pagkatunaw ng yelo.
Resolution to minimize the effect of global warming. Next slide. Renewable energy. Switching to renewable energy reduces greenhouse gases emission. Key steps include investing in clean technologies, offering incentives, upgrading power grids, and supporting local renewable projects. This promotes sustainability and combat climate changes. To sum up, switching to renewable energy means using sources like wind, solar, and hydropower instead of fossil fuels like coal and oils. This helps reduce harmful gases that contributes to climate changes. Next slide. Promote sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture combats climate changes through regenerative practices, agroforestry, reduce food waste, promoting plant-based diet, and improving water efficiency, making farming eco-friendly and resilient. In short, sustainable agriculture means farming in a way that protects the environment, help fight climate changes, and make sure farming can continue for future generations. Next slide. Enhance energy efficiency and conservation. Enhancing energy efficiency reduces the energy use and emissions through building upgrades, efficient appliances, green transportation, smart grid, and promoting energy-saving behavior, helping fight climate change. Simply put, enhancing energy efficient means using less energy to do the same thing, which help reduce pollution and energy waste.
And that's all conclude, Ma'am Senya. Thank you for listening and watching to our presentation.